County Church, destroyed by the tornado, is making plans for Sunday service.
Things break. The world is a broken place. We are all rebuilding at some level. God says it's time to rebuild, and I will help you. At the Lighthouse, we are rebuilding. It may not be quick, it may not be easy, but we're doing this together. Children and youth, connect groups, Bible studies, through Celebrate Recovery, personal prayer, worship, and even over a meal or simply a cup of coffee, we are rebuilding. We do it here, or on the streets, or in other countries. Are you tired of brokenness? Let's rebuild together.